Hey guys, good morning. It is Sunday, February the 12th. It is 10 to 7 in the morning. I'm just getting ready for my day shift. But just packed my lunch and I'm gonna have a banana and head out for the day. I didn't sleep good last night, so this should be a fun day. Hopefully it's a good day and there's lots of coffee at work. Have a good Sunday, everybody. I'm home. It was a really good day at work, thank goodness. Long day, but it was okay. I came home. Cole is sick now. Maddie's feeling better. Now Cole's sick. There's a blizzard coming tomorrow. We could get up to 50 centimeters of snow. And guess who has to work tomorrow? Somebody's sneaking in. You want to say hello?
Hi.
Feeling better?
Yeah.
You ready for bed?
Yeah.
Okay. Good night. Little wackadoo. Anyway, as I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, I have to work tomorrow. Drive to work tomorrow in the blizzard, which is not my favorite thing to do. But I'm assuming the kids' school will be closed and Jeff's gonna work from home, so hi. You smell like Vicks Vapor Rub.
Well, what do you think?
So at least they won't have to go anywhere tomorrow, which is much better than everybody having to go out. So we'll just
Daddy would probably work from home.
have to take my time and go from there.
If only you could work from home, you would love that.
Yeah, but then I'd have to take all my patients home with me, and I don't want to do that. Leave the sick people at work.
Yeah. Because then it would get the house sick.
Yeah, we have enough sick in our house right now. Oh, hiccups. We're excited The Walking Dead's back on tonight. I bought some yummy snacks. Nothing, anything that you can watch. Bought some yummy snacks. And I found, what did I find at Walmart that we're going to try?
Oh, what would they call beef patties.
Jamaican beef patties, so we'll see.
So did you find what?
Walmart.
Oh.
So we'll try those out and see how we like them.
Apparently.
See how they compare to the real Jamaican ones.
We've tried them. They're really good.
They are good.
They don't have the orange breading though.
I don't know. I didn't look at them. They were Maddie's favorite food in Jamaica.
They're still my favorite Jamaican food.
So we'll try those and see how they compare. This is what I have to drive in to get to work. Why am I a nurse again? I'm going like not even 30 kilometers an hour down the road in a freaking blizzard. We're supposed to get like 50 centimeters of snow today. I have to go to work. Packed a bag just in case I get stuck at the hospital. But in my 12 years of nursing, that's never happened, and I don't intend for it to happen today. So we shall see. Wish me luck, folks. Happy Monday. 13 hours later. Look at this. Look at these cars buried. Ugh, not looking forward to digging out, but at least I don't have to stay at the hospital. I'm not even sure where my car is. Look at this. Well, shit. Great. Look at this. How the hell am I gonna do this? Brag. Not cool. Alright, I have to shovel. Why am I a nurse again? Look at this. I better be able to get out. I'm mad. Okay. So, I think I might be shoveled out. Some guy stopped and helped me. So I'm going to try and pull my car forward. And if I can, then I'm going home. I don't even know if the darn thing will start. Let's see. This is what happens when you become a nurse in Canada. Oh, it started. Okay. I'm out. Thank God. Almost home. This is almost my street. It's not plowed very well at all, but we'll make it home. Will I make it up the driveway is the next question. So close. I'm stuck in the driveway. Darn it. Oh well, Jeff will have to come get me. Jeff's gonna try. Look at how high the snow in our driveway is compared to the car. Let's see. He can do it. He's really good at it. I always get stuck in the driveway. Get home, but I always get stuck. Look at it blowing. Oh, so close. You did better than I did. Oh, he took off the corner of the snowbank. Oh, is he gonna get stuck on the road? No. Oh. Damn it, he's so close. Happy Wednesday. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Jeff and I were supposed to go out for lunch today, but we're still kind of digging out from yesterday's blizzard. My back is really bothering me from having to shovel out the car yesterday, or last evening, I guess. So it's just gonna be, I think we might get some takeout or something and have lunch here. He's working from home today and the kids are at the babysitter, so it's kind of nice. I have to go to sleep here in a few hours. I have to work a night shift tonight. So yeah, is it Wednesday? It's not even Wednesday, it's Tuesday. Tuesday, oh my goodness, I lost today. Shows how tired I am, as do these bags. Anyway, it's Tuesday, Valentine's Day. I have to do the kids' laundry today and get a nap and get ready for work. And Jeff's still dealing with the aftermath of the blizzard. We got 79 centimeters of snow here. And there's another 25, I think, on the way on Thursday. I don't know where we're gonna put it all. He couldn't even get the driveway cleared all the way because of the banks were too high. So we've got enough room to get the car in and out, and that's about it. Look, this is our back deck. Look how high the snow is. Look at, like, there's the railing, and there's how high the snow is. And it's still kind of falling gently. Oh. Is it spring yet? I'm just doing some editing before I have to go have my nap, and I cleaned up a little bit, vacuumed and tidied up. Kitchen's still a little messy. Oh, look what Jeff gave me. My Valentine. I love it. Valentine's Day tradition, heart-shaped pizzas. Good job. Hello everybody, it is Wednesday, still Wednesday, it's almost 11 o'clock at night. I am at work, my second night shift. I am exhausted. It was a really busy night last night. I didn't even get a break. Tonight I'm actually on break, but I'm by myself, so I thought I would pop on and say hello. How's everybody's week going? We're halfway through the week. There's another snowstorm coming here tonight, so Jeff's gonna come pick me up in the morning. Maddie had her guitar lesson, and I doubt she's gonna have Girl Guides tomorrow. Then I think this weekend we are gonna go to the market, the Northside Market by us, and I don't know what we're gonna do on Sunday. And then I'm back to work on Monday. Okay, play your song.
Doing it too down. I can tune it. Yeah, let's try it again. Then that's when the 3 E's come in. right here.
Okay.
And then you go here. Then that. I missed that last time. But I got everything else right except the 3Ds.
Hi.
Grocery day. He loves when I do this to him. Pretty sure the YouTube channel is your idea. Yeah. We're at Costco. Our children are hanging out on a couch because they don't want to hang around with us. So we have to go get them. It's like crazy empty in here.
They were there.
Oh, we lost our children.
Oh no, wait. Yeah. They just
Oh no, they're still there.
sunk down a bit.
Yeah, it's so empty in here. There they are. Come on, weirdos, let's go.
That's still.
Yeah, we're done. Are we leaving the store? You almost sound sad.
What?
You almost sound sad. And there's the magic. I wish you could smell it. Look, there she goes. That's like a 9-foot snowbank. And there's more snow on the way. Look how high it is compared to her. She's standing on the ground. She's like 4 feet tall. No, I think she gave up. No? She's not gonna climb up that. Good luck, kiddo. Oh, she did it. She climbed up from the road. She looks confused. This is what happens when you tell Maddie go get a snack. Whole double pint of strawberries.
There's a leaf sticking to the strawberry.
She could eat them all too, couldn't you?
I bet I could. If I was, like, even if I wasn't even that hungry, I would still be able to eat all of these.
This is why we have to buy our produce at Costco. She may look tiny, but she can pack away the fruit, can't you?
I just love it. I don't know why.
Usually she goes for blueberries.
I saw the strawberries in there, and I haven't ate strawberries for a long time.
Dad's grouchy because we're talking. He's trying to watch a movie he's watched 10 times already. Right? Are they sour or are they sweet?
It's a little bit sour.
Let me have one.
It's so good.
Can I have one?
What do you want?
I don't know. Just give me a strawberry.
Want this huge one?
No, not that big.
I don't think I'm ever gonna eat that
Just
one.
like a strawberry. Come Let's see. They're a little sour. You fine?
This one's good and sweet.
I can't wait till summer.
Because then tomorrow we can actually go strawberry picking.
Cole's fretting over a science experiment. Come here. Look at this kid's poor chin. Look at him. He's got no chin. He's swollen lymph nodes. Is your throat hurt?
Not very much. It's just swollen now.
Doesn't look like chips. Look.
Get some salt there, Cole, for me. Season it.
Everything tastes better with salt. So we had a pretty chill Saturday. Jeff and I finished watching the OA and we still have no idea what the heck that show was about. If you know, please explain it to me because we don't get it. I gave it a shot, watched the whole thing through, and we're just like, I don't know, I don't get it. So tonight we're probably just gonna hang out around here, maybe watch something new on Netflix. The kids Maddie had a friend over for most of the day. Cole just kind of played video games. Still not feeling great. He's still all swollen, but he'll be all right. Yeah, so it's a pretty chill weekend so far. So far. We're hoping to go see the Lego movie tomorrow, but Cole has to go to his friend's house to do a science project, and I kind of wanted to go to the market, but lazy got the best of us today, and I didn't really want to drag Cole out of the house where he's still not feeling fantastic, so we'll get there someday. Someday. It's like 5 minutes from our house and we can't get there. It's cold out, it's snowy. Nobody wants to go out in the wintertime. Nobody does. So we're gonna watch Netflix. I'm gonna do some knitting. And then tomorrow, who knows? Who knows? Hope everybody had a great week. And if you like our videos, we would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel. Leave me a comment, a like, whatever you want to do. We're trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year, and we're already halfway there. So thank you everybody who subscribed so far, and all the love we've been receiving on our channel lately. We really appreciate it. Have a good week, everybody.